Hey, what's up everybody? Wanted to hop onto a quick review, kind of update here. I picked up these Terro Liquid Ant Baits a little while ago. Probably, I want to say they're probably about 2 or 3 weeks ago. And I wanted to give you some updates here. It is that time of year where the ants start to kind of come out of hibernation or wherever they come out of. Started showing up into the house, and I can tell you these things here actually after 2 or 3 weeks, my ant problem in my kitchen has actually been alleviated. So I started seeing, I did the spray around the house, and basically somehow the ants still got back in from somewhere. I wasn't sure where they were coming from because I did, again, all the perimeter spray. Basically, the style between these traps is you want to put this basically right where their food source is. It's a mixture of borax and sugar water that's in there. So basically how it works is you break this little tab off here, put a little bit of the bait there, and then kind of leave it. The ants are basically going to crawl in. They're going to eat this food, and this is actually, they eat sugar water, right? So they're going to eat the food, and the borax is just going to dry them out, and it's going to kill the rest of the colony. But basically how this works is, again, they come in, they eat it, they get poisoned, they tell their friends that it's a really cool food source. They all come eat it. So the ants actually got a little bit worse for like a day or two. But because, again, they told all their friends about where the food was. But then again, after a couple days after that, it just kind of dies down. But not much to this, really. It's a product where you just kind of crack the top off, pour a little bit, let it, and just wait. So there's not really too many moving parts, but it's a fairly economical solution when you're trying to deal with ants. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.